Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you are all well. On behalf of Almighty Allah, may Allah bless us, may Allah save us from this situation. Today I will discuss about medical legal aspects of death. Death is a very important topics of forensic medicine, also in medical science, life and death. So I will discuss about death. Death is the part of forensic thanatology. That means study of death. The thanatology word comes from Greek god. This is thanatos. Is a branch of forensic medicine which deals with scientific study of death, types of death, various events that changes after death, and medical legal significance. Medical legally, death is very much important. Nowadays, we sometimes declare death of a person without proper examination or proper investigation. Then we go for medical negligence. And question of medical negligence arises from death declaration. What is death? It is a complete, permanent and irreversible cessation of function of three interlinked vital system of the body. It is called death. Some author likes another definition or want to explain the death of definition. It is complete, permanent, irreversible cessation of function of three interlinked vital system of the body, namely nervous, circulatory and respiratory system after withdrawal of all supporting measures. Supporting measure tells the heart-lung machine, artificial respiration. Nowadays, artificial respiration, artificial ventilation is popular. We are very shortage of it. In the whole world, artificial respiration, we are shortage in it. After withdrawal of all supporting measures, if a person cannot live without supporting the artificial respiration or circulatory or respiratory system. What are types of death? According to movement, somatic death, or we sometimes call clinical death or systemic death, and molecular death, or cellular or true death. Molecular death also known as true death. A somatic death we call clinical death. In hospital, sometimes we call clinically death. That means somatic death. That means all the organs of the body are out of function according to the relation of brain. Cortical brain death, brainstem death, whole brain death, cerebral cortex. That means movement of all movements of the body or all reflex of the body lost. Brainstem death, that means respiration and cardiovascular system combinedly death. Whole brain death, that means both cortical, all reflexes and brainstem, heart, lung function are ceased. In relation to period, sudden death, instantaneous death within 24 hours of appearing of symptoms. Death trance or suspended animation is the most important topics in forensic medicine. Suspended animation looks like death, but the person is still alive. This is suspended animation. Somatic death. What do you mean by somatic death? Permanent irreversible cessation of function of three interlinked vital system of the body, namely respiratory, cardiovascular system and nervous system. But individual cells are still alive. That is called somatic death. We can keep the person severely alive by giving artificial life supporting measures, heart, lung machine. Importance of somatic death, it is clinical death. Somatic death is always known as clinical death. Artificial life supporting events. During somatic death, we can give artificial life supporting measures to try to keep the patient or victim alive. Question of suspended animation or apparent death may be arised. So, in case of suspended animation, we should never declare death of a person till molecular death occurs. Molecular death. Individual cells become death followed by somatic death. Always remember molecular death followed by somatic death. It is usually occurs 3 to 4 hours after somatic death. 3 to 4 hours after somatic death. So, we have to declare death of a person after minimum after 3 to 4 days after somatic death. Importance of cellular death for organ transplantation. Most common for organ transplantation. During molecular death, we cannot transplant any organ from dead body. Disposal of the body. During molecular death, we try to dispose the dead body as early as possible. It is the surest sign of death. Medically, it is the surest sign of death. Which organs are commonly transplanted prior to molecular death? We already know that in somatic death we can transplant many organs. We can donate organs from dead body. Most common organ transplant in Bangladesh is cornea. It is performed within 6 hours after death. Then liver within 15 minutes, very shortage of time. Kidney within 45 minutes, very shortage of time. Heart within 1 hour. Skin within 24 hours, bones within 72 hours. So these organs are commonly transplanted from dead body. But in Bangladesh, we commonly transplant cornea from dead body. Concept of death. Concept or movement of death means heart and lung death. Heart and lung death. Because life can be prolonged by various methods such as respiration can be maintained by mechanical ventilators, circulation can be maintained by heart-lung machine. But we cannot survive the brain. So, concept of death depends on heart and lung function. If any person's brain death, we can keep him alive by heart-lung machine and ventilators. But without life-suffering events, we cannot keep a person alive. So, concept of death depends on heart and lung. Most important thing is our respiration first stops, then heart. Our respiration stops prior to heart, is always remember. Threefold of life. Threefold by try. 3 things. Heart, lung and brains. All are threefold of life. All 3 organs are threefold of life. Failure of their function can be confirmed by cardiovascular system ECG. That means flat ECG. Respiratory system by absence of breath sound, by auscultation of breath sound. Nervous system flat EEG. Differential diagnosis of death. Looks like death but person is still alive. Example, suspended animation, coma, head injury, hypothermia. Manner of death is important for forensic medicine. How the person is the way in which the cause of death was produced. It may be natural, it may be suicidal, it may be homicidal or accidental. If the death was from any disease or aging process, it is natural. When a person died from aging process or aging, extreme age or any disease, even coronavirus, even cancer, even AIDS, they are considered as natural disease. If the death from self-injury, self-inflicted injury, that is suicide. If anyone try to destroy himself by any means, even hanging or or poisoning, it is considered as suicide. If the death was from intentional violence, intention to cause death of a person, try to kill a person, that is homicidal. If the death was from unintentional violence, without any interest, without any intention, that is accident. Mechanism of death is the physiological or biochemical disturbance which causes the death, which is incompatible with life. Example, shock, hemorrhage, sepsis, ventricular fibrillation, respiratory paralysis, these are the common cause of mechanism of death. Coma is the important thing for forensic medicine, also for medicine, surgery, every branch of medical science. Coma. This is death from failure of function of the brain. Failure of function of brain. That is coma. Irreversible damage of its vital centers. Example, injury to the brain, poisoning, uremia, etc. Syncope. This is the death from failure of function of heart. Whenever heart function is lost, it is considered as syncope, resulting in hypoperfusion and hypoxia of the brain. First, hypoperfusion of the heart and hypoxia to the brain, the heart disease, vasovagal shock, etc. Asphyxia. This is commonly in forensic medicine. This death is from failure of respiratory function. Pneumonia, hanging, opioid poisoning, this is poisoning, mechanical violence, disease position, brain death. Permanent irreversible cessation of function of brain is called brain death. There are types of brain death. Previously I told about the cortical brain death, brain stem death, both cortical and brain stem death, or complete brain death, cortical brain death. When the brain stem is intact, but function of brain stem is lost, which can be proved by heart sound and respiration. Whenever heart sound and respiration are stopped, that called brain stem death. But heart sound and heartbeat and respiration continuous, this is called cortical brain death. When the brain stem intact with continuous heart sound and respiration, but total loss of power of perception or reflexes by senses as a result of permanent and irreversible cessation of cell death is called cortical brain death. যেমন example, cerebral hypoxia, brain injury, toxic condition, space occupying lesion of the cerebral cortex, thrombosis. Brain stem death. When the cerebrum is intact, but irreversible loss of function of brain stem, that means heart center, lung center, that is brain stem death. Increased intracranial pressure, brain stem injury, cerebrovascular accident, that is CVA, pontine hemorrhage, etc. are the main causes of brain stem, loss of function of brain stem. Complete brain death. When the brain death comprises combination of both cortical and brain stem death. That means loss of all reflexes, senses, also brain stem. It is also called clinical death. When all functions of the brain are lost, we call it clinical death. Irreversible coma, head injury. Irreversible coma may persist from 20 days, 30 days, even 30 years, even 40 years. Agonal period is a one term of forensic medicine. It is the time between a lethal occurrence and death. Whenever a person gets a stab injury and till to death, this period in between them is called agonal period. Suspended animation, very much important for forensic medicine. Everybody should learn it, everybody should understand it. It may be defined as a condition in which the sign of life seem to be absent because of interruption of function of three vital systems. But the life is still continuous, which can be detected by repeated auscultation, ECG and EEG. We can declare death by examining the patient by ECG. This is the 100% confirmation of death. We can declare 100% confirmation of death by examining by ECG. What are the conditions of suspended animation? The practitioners of yoga, newborn infant is the one of the cause, newborn infant, drowning case, snake bite poisoning, head injury, hypothermia. These are the common causes of suspended animation. Why suspended animation is very much important in forensic medicine? We may declare some patient premature death. Patient is still alive, but we declare death. That is called premature death. Sometimes it may questions of negligency, professional ethics. In our country, sometimes the doctor declared a person dead, but on the way to home, the dead body becomes alive. The persons sitting from lying position. This is shame for us. So we should learn how and when we declare death. We must declare that after confirmation, if the patient is alive or dead. How can we declare death? by examination of pulse, examination of heart sound, examination of breath sound, even ECG. Now today I will like to conclude my lectures. Next lectures I will discuss details about death and important topics of death, how we can declare death of a person, what are the changes after death, etc. Till now, Allah Hafiz, may Allah bless us, may Allah bless you, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.